Hey there, Stackers. It's Mr. Stacker. Yes, we have a little bit of a different unboxing today. Normally, I'd have some gold and silver or something, but today we're here with PokéX, and we're going to be unboxing some Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
You guys maybe can recognize some of these. It's Pikachu. Y'all know Pikachu, right? Charizard, Mewtwo, Raichu, man. Bringing back some memories, man. I remember I'm in my 30s, so Pokemon was... I was about 12 years old when this stuff was coming out. Super excited. So we're going to take off the blue gloves because we don't really need the gloves today. We're not holding any precious metals. So we're going to keep these on the side. And we're going to open up 2 of these boxes. We're going to do 1 per video. But we'll open up this one, and then we'll end up opening up these ones and these ones down the road. But let's get started. So handy over the handy-dandy, very sharp knife here. Let's see, we'll just start by cutting out that. We don't want to mess up the box in any way, because it may be heard, people love keeping these boxes. So we're going to try and keep them intact. And let's go. Which one do I want? What do you mean?
Do you want the red or blue?
I'm going with the blue.
Okay.
So PokéX is going to get the red box. And, no, we're not going to open that one yet. We're going to go one at a time. So, let's see what's inside. All right, so we've got a player's guide, which, cool. We'll figure that out. And this actually has all of the different types of cards that you could be looking for. So, now we know which ones that we want to find.
Look at those rainbows.
Oh, yes. These are the ones we're looking for. The rainbows. And then these as well. All right. Let's see which ones that we can pull out. Which ones do you think we're going to be able to pull out of here in this box, folks? Well, stay tuned, and you're going to find out. Let's get started. All right, so we've got this. Unnecessary. These. Cool. Rules. Who cares? Dice and thingies. Okay, nice. We'll check those out later. All right, I think we've got some base sets, or whatever you call those little decks.
Those are dividers.
Dividers, all right. I don't even know what those are probably for the game. And then check this out, I thought was really cool. It comes with sleeves. Built-in sleeves already. I like that. So whatever we find, some cool stuff, we're just going to put them in these sleeves.
I'm going to open it.
PokéX will get those ready. And this is what we're here for. The battle styles. Looks like we got all kinds of beautiful designs. I like those. I like those. Let's see what's inside. Come on down. All right. First pack. Opening up. Let's see. You have to wait. Jeez. Impatience of these children. All right. If y'all don't know, PokéX is one of my sons. And let's see what we got. All right. All right. It's Cherubi. I don't even know how to pronounce a lot of this stuff, so if I butcher these names, oh well. I'm going to call this one Pachirisu. Hope that's the right name of it. Chimecho. I never even heard any of these Pokemon. Honedge. These aren't the classics, that's for sure, right? Ooh, I've got a hollow, looks like a reverse hollow Sherim. Look at the nice hollow on that, looks nice. A Mr. Rhyme. An Energy. A Gurdurr, Seadra, Fan of Waves, and a Redeem card. So I guess that the way they do it is they put, what, a couple behind it and something like that?
4 behind or something?
4 behind, and then you get the hollow? All right, let's do it that way. See, Manny? He doesn't even know. Let's go. All right. Let's get the next one. Come on. Slippery little suckers. All right, we're in. Let's see. How are we supposed to do it? 4 in the back?
Okay, so we take the code card out, I think.
Code card gone.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Put it in the front.
Put in the front.
Okay, now turn around.
And now we should be able to flip it right.
Yeah. Now
All right, let's see. We've got the Energy. Ooh, I like the Seadra. That's a nice one. The Scroll of Swirls. I wonder if that one's cool or not.
Ooh.
Looks pretty cool.
Rapid Strike.
A Cacturns. Like a cactus, but it's not. We've got Slowpoke. Okay. Fomentis. Remoraid.
Another rapid strike.
I wonder if those are good. Cubone. Pawniard. All right, is this the last
Pawniard?
one? Oh no, almost the last one.
To get the punch. Ooh.
We've got a
reverse.
hollow scroll of swirls, and a
And
lickety lickety. No, lickety lickety.
I think it's liquid.
I think we did it wrong again. I think it's 5 cards
5.
because this is hollow supposed to be the last one, right?
Yeah, I know, but that's the reverse.
The reverse hollow.
So that we didn't get
So-
a hologram. I think.
So this is the rare.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the rare, but
Oh, okay. So lickety lickety is the rare, non-hollow. All right, that makes sense.
which one?
Dun 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 dun. Let's see what's next. Let's do it. Let's see it. Oh, my back's hurting. Ugh, I'm getting too old for this. All right, let's see what's inside.
I'll take this.
I'm gonna rip this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them in the front, and let's flip it. Energy, Cacturn, Level Ball, Single Strike Energy. Nice. I like these energy ones. They're looking pretty cool. Ball Toy, Mr. Mime. There we go. Back in the days, we got a classic right here. Fomentis, Spiro, Zubat. Ooh, look at that. That looks. I like that Zubat.
It's like a yarn.
Yeah. Bellsprout.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a Bronzong. That's what I'm talking about. Our
Should we
first
sleeve it?
hollow. Of course. Always sleeve them. We got to sleeve it live. Right there. Boom. Bada boom. Bam. Our first win. Let's put it right there. All right. Let's get these ones down here.
I'm just take them.
Go ahead. You want to separate the hollows?
Yeah. Here.
Got ourselves another bag here. Let's see what's inside.
Oh,
That's weird. It doesn't open that well. All right, we'll open it this way then. Fine. Slide it out. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. Energy. Sharp. Energy. Camping gear. Pachirisu. There's some weird names. Chimecho. Honage. Horsey.
literally.
Mankey. The classics. I love the classics. Colossal. And then our last card is Conkeldurr. Such a lackluster performance there. Oh, that was so what do you call that? Basically. Whatever the word version of that is. All right, let's see what we got on this sec. This bad boy here. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys actually redeem those these things? Do you guys actually do that? Put in the comments you guys actually redeem these or not. Let me know. I don't do that. Grumpig. Energy Recycler.
Whoa, these are
Girder. Spoink. That's
a
pretty cool.
winter.
Look at that. It's a little piggy. Bronzor. Tepig. Pachirisu again. Mean Foo. He's a mean foo right there. I'm telling you right there. Corfish. And then our last one is... Dun 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 dun!
Oh,
The Villain. So lackluster.
ooh,
So
look at the back
lackluster.
of these sleeves.
Oh, I like this. Let me see. Look at the back of that one. Oh, I'm liking that. I'm liking that custom sleeves.
Hey, I'll put them right here.
No, put the hollow right there at the top.
Okay.
The main hollow, that one. We'll put that one right there. All the basic hollows, we'll keep those separated, but not exciting. Not exciting.
Should I sleeve this?
Yeah, sleeve all the little hollows too. Why
Okay.
not? We'll have enough sleeves. Dun 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 dun. Okay.
I can't wait to open mine.
I have to open it so weirdly. Rid of that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's flip it.
Ooh.
All right.
Alright, they could see the back of it. They could see if it's a hollow or not.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can tell?
If it's a black one in the back, they could see. If
Black
it's
in the
a-
back?
If it's a hologram, they could see a hollow.
Interesting. I don't think so.
Right here. If it was like a hollow.
Well, yeah, if you can see the top of it.
Ooh.
Whoa, that one looks cool. A stage 1. I like that one. A Heatmore. Scroll of Scorn.
Oh.
Another Zubat. I like me the Zubats. Remoraid. This new Rapid Strike. What do you guys think of that? I guess it's a new feature in the game with these new Rapid Strikes. Ooh, a single strike. Interesting. A lot of new features. A Sharabuli. A Weeping Well. And a Boltund. Man, these are so lackluster at the end. I like the Weeping Bell, though. I'll take it. I'll take it. You know, it'd be funny if it's like we're at the end of it and it's like, no, you're only supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be doing 5 of them.
Well, I think we're just not fitting them.
Hey, we got one already. It was that format too, so it has to be that format.
Yeah.
All right, let's take out that last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll flip it this way so y'all can't see the back, and then we do it. Phoebe! Trainers.
Phoebe.
People love... That's Phoebe, not
Really?
Phoebe. Phoebe. That's how you pronounce that. Heatmorgane. Pharaoh, actually. Oh, look at that.
Spearow.
Back to back. Spearow and Fearow. These guys want to hang out together. That's cool. Another Zubat. Killing it with the Zubats. Cubone. I love them classics. Frillish. Blipbug. Marowak. That's what I'm talking about. And then what do we get? What do we get? A Stonejourner. Wow, sucks. All right, we got another holo. Put that one out there. I like the Marowak.
All
That's
these
a good one.
cards. It's crazy.
And we're just getting started. Let's do this.
Open 9.
Dun, 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 dun. All right. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it and dip it. Ooh, that's a new one. I like that one. Indeedee. Swordward and Sherbert. I like that one. Crawdunt. Ooh, all new ones so far. Oh, there he goes, Honedge. Had to come back. Horsey. Welcome to the party. Mankey. Slowpoke. Fomantis. Celicobra. And... Dun, 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 dun. Lurantis. Man. These packs are not hitting. Not yet, not yet. One holo so far. Let's see what we can do. We got one more pack, or are we good?
You're good.
We're good? We're all done?
No,
Oh.
well, what about mine?
Well, yes, that's on the next video.
Oh.
Well, there we go. The best of us that we got. It was out of the box was Bronzong. Ugh. Well, we'll see what we can get on the next one. Catch us on our next video. Mr. Stacker out.